Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. I am Farjana Akter Moonmoon, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take English language class of class 2, and this is our annual terms topic, and our today's topic is adverbs. Our lecture number is 20. Now let's start. You can see I have written here adverbs. We have already taken this class and we discussed about this in our live class also. Again I am telling about some adverbs rules. Now number 1, an adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. You know, from our discussion we told about what is verb. A verb is an action word like talk, walking, singing, then smiling, all are action words, and verb is an action word. So an adverb is a word that tells something more about a adverb. That means it describes the adverb or giving more information about action word. Then an adverb tells how, where and when an action happens. Again I am telling, an adverb tells how, where and when an action happens. That means from an adverb we can know how and where, when an action can do its work. Okay, that means an action words describes, an adverb describes the action words, how it works and where it works and when. So number 3, sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb, like softly, neatly. From this word, soft is an adjective, and with the adding of ly it becomes adverb. Then again neat is an adjective, but when we add ly it becomes adverb. So we can say sometimes we add ly to an adjective and it becomes adverb. So we have discussed about three rules. What is the first rules? An adverb is a word that tells more or something about a verb. Then an adverb tells how, where and when an action word happens. Then sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb. You can see from these two examples, she talked softly. She talked softly. In this sentence our adverb is softly. Soft is adjective, and when we add ly with soft it becomes adverb, softly, and here talked is verb. So this adverb describes the action word or verb. This adverb describes or tells more about the verb. How she talked? She talked softly. Then she wrote neatly. Here again we can see wrote is here verb and our adverb is here neatly. Neat is adjective and we add ly with this and it becomes adverb. So here also neatly is an adverb and it describes the action word or verb wrote. How she wrote? How did she write? She wrote neatly. Then today we will do some exercise. I think you have already done this exercise. Now we will do it again. We will revise this. Complete these sentences with the correct adverb. Number 1, Joanny is happy. Joanny is happy. She is smiling. What will be here? Happily. Happily. You can see from in this word our letter L has disappeared, and in the place of Y we have written ILY, happily. Then number 2 or B, the boy is loud. the boy is loud, he shouts, it will be loudly. We have used only ly with the adjective loud and it has become adverb loudly. Then number C, mother was angry. She spoke to us angrily. You can see this angry and happily is changing in the same way. We can change the y with ily, angrily. Then number D, Jim is a wonderful piano player. He plays the piano. Our adjective is here wonderful and we will write here wonderfully. Wonderfully. You can see we have used double ly here. We have added double ly here for adverb. E, the kitten was hungry. The kitten was hungry. It drank milk hungrily. Hungrily. Then number F, Jasmine was sad. She looked at us sadly. Like loudly, it will be only sadly. We will add only ly. Number G, Munira likes to be neat and she folds the sheets neatly. Number H, the children were careful. They crossed the road. It will be like wonderful. Carefully. That means we will use double ly, carefully. So you can see some changes in adverb also. When we change it from adjective to adverb, you can see here in the place of y we have added ily, and in this loud we didn't change anything, just we added ly. And in this wonderful and careful we had added double ly. This is how we changed this adjective into adverb. I hope you have understood today's topic and you will practice it at your home and you will do better if you revise it again and again. So practice it at home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.